Hello students, in last video lecture we discussed about the pH and pOH, and after that we completed the buffer concept. Okay, now in this video lecture we are going to start our new point, that is Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Okay, so this equation is used for calculating pH of acidic buffer solution and calculating pOH of basic buffer solution. Now let us move to the first point, that is pH of acidic buffer solution. pH of acidic buffer solution. Okay, in last video lecture we completed the concept of buffer solution. So what is buffer solution? The solution which resists to change the pH by addition of small amount of strong acid and strong base, also water, called as buffer solution. Okay, so Henderson-Hasselbalch equation is used to calculate pH of acidic buffer and pOH of basic buffer solution. Now let us consider the weak acid. Okay, acidic buffer example, it is mixture of weak acid, that is equal to CH3COOH, and its salt with strong base. Yacha salt CH3COONA. This is the mixture of acetic acid and sodium acetate. It acts as acidic buffer whose pH ranges from 0 to 7. Okay, now let us start the dissociation process of these two components. So number first, acetic acid. As you know, acetic acid, it is the weak acid, so it dissociates partially. It is converted into CH3COO minus plus H plus. Acetic acid dissociates partially because it is a weak acid. If I am taking 1 mole of acetic acid, out of 1 mole there will be 0.001 or 0.002 will be dissociated and converted into acetate ion and H plus ions. Okay, now let us start with the point 2, that is sodium acetate, CH3COONA. Okay, in case of acetic acid, we use both the arrows, that is arrow for forward reaction and arrow for backward reaction, because it is a reversible process. That means acetic acid is converted into acetate ion and H plus ion. But this acetate ion and H plus ion also combines to form acetic acid because it is 100% weak electrolyte. Now sodium acetate, it dissociated it as CH3COO minus plus Na plus. CH3COO minus plus Na plus. So I am using this time single arrow because sodium acetate, it is a strong electrolyte because it is a product of weak acid and its salt with strong base. It is product of weak acid and its salt with strong base. Strong base like weak acid comes from CH3COOH and strong base comes from NaOH. Okay, so एक जरी स्ट्रॉंग असला, दोन कंपाउंड मधला एक जरी स्ट्रॉंग असला तरी जो सॉल्ट असतो तो स्ट्रॉंग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट मध्ये आपण धरतो, त्यामुळे 100% डिसोसिएशन टेक्स प्लेस. इफ आई एम टेकिंग 100 moles of sodium acetate, out of 100 moles of acetate ions and 100 moles of Na plus ions will be formed, and total remaining 100 रुपये होते 100 खर्च केले, बाकी 0. But in case of weak electrolyte 100 moles घेतले तर सरासरी 10 moles डिसोसिएशन झालं, बाकी 90. Okay, so in that way we have to dissociate reversible in case of weak acid and irreversibly in case of strong electrolyte, that is sodium acetate, having 100% dissociation. Okay, now let us start the dissociation constant for weak acid. What is the dissociation constant? As we know in the chapter of chemical equilibrium in 11th standard, dissociation constant Kc is equal to C raised to C into D raised to D divided by A raised to A and B raised to B. Now we have to not write here Kc, I am writing here Ka because K means dissociation constant A for acid. It is a weak acid. Now K is equal to product upon reactant C raised to C. Okay, now CH3COO minus, concentration always expressed in square bracket, acetate ions in bracket H plus ions divided by reactant, that is acetic acid CH3COOH. Okay, now this equation is about, as I said you earlier, calculating pH. So pH depends on concentration of H plus ions. Concentration of H plus ion increases, pH of the solution will be decreases. Okay. Now, so if I am writing H plus ion to the left side, because we have to calculate pH and pH depends on H plus ion concentration. So I am taking H plus ion to the left side of the equation. We get H plus ion is equal to Ka into acetic acid, concentration of acetic acid divided by concentration of acetate ion divided by concentration of acetate ions. Okay, now let us start the naming of this term. Okay, I am erasing that first of all. Now concentration of H plus ion is equal to K. K means dissociation constant of weak acid into molar concentration of acetic acid divided by concentration of acetate ions. Now acetic acid, now I am starting the name of that particular characters. H plus ion is equal to Ka into, in bracket, acetic acid. It is acid, so I am directly write it as acid. So I am directly write it as acid. Okay, so this is the CH3COO minus ions. But here are the one twist. I am not writing directly it as ion because CH3COO minus ions, it is come from sodium acetate. CH3COO minus ions, it is come from sodium acetate. And as I said you earlier, if I am taking 1 mole of sodium acetate, 1 mole of acetate ion and 1 mole of Na plus ions are formed. So as I am writing the ion divided by acid divided by ion लिहिण्याच्या ऐवजी मी काय लिहिणार आहे सॉल्ट, बिकॉज 1 मोल घेतले आणि 1 मोलच तयार झाले, म्हणजे हा आयन कुठून आला आहे, सॉल्ट पासून आलेला आहे. बाकी काय राहिले ना, 1 मोलचे 1 मोल मध्ये झाले ना, जे रेशो बॅलन्स आहे. आयन लिहिण्याच्या ऐवजी मी इथे लिहिणार आहे सॉल्ट, बरोबर, कारण की आयन आलाय कशातून, सोडियम ऍसिटेट मधूनच. ओके, सो इन्स्टेड ऑफ रायटिंग आयन आय एम रायटिंग हियर इट इज सॉल्ट. नाउ by taking negative log to the base 10 from both sides, by taking negative log to the base 10 from both sides, we get an equation log to the base 10 H plus ions, log to the base 10 H plus ion is equal to negative log to the base 10, negative log to the base 10 in bracket Ka into acid divided by salt, acid divided by salt. Now let us calculate this. So I am writing here negative log to the base 10 in bracket H plus ion is equal to negative log to the base 10. मॅथमॅटिक्स आहे माहिती आहे, निगेटिव्ह लॉग या सगळ्यांना ऍप्लिकेबल आहे. निगेटिव्ह लॉग टू द बेस 10 Ka मायनस लॉग टू द बेस 10 ऍसिड डिवाइडेड बाय सॉल्ट. negative log to the base 10 acid divided by salt. Okay, negative log to the base 10 Ka minus negative log to the base 10 acid divided by salt. Now let us negative log to the base 10 H plus ion concentration means it is the definition of pH. Negative log to the base 10 H plus ion concentration means it is the definition of pH. As I said you earlier that negative log to the base 10 molar concentration of H plus ion, it is defined, it is called as pH. So I am writing, instead of write negative log to the base 10 H plus ion, I am writing pH. Now negative log to the base 10 Ka means negative log to the base 10 Ka means pKa. P means generally I am reading in one reference book कि log to the base 10 म्हणजे हा p फॅक्टर असतो. log to the base 10 म्हणजे हा जनरली p फॅक्टर आपण कन्सिडर करतो, कारण की pK म्हणजे डिसोसिएशन कॉन्स्टंट ऑफ ऍसिडच्या वेगवेगळ्या व्हॅल्यूज असतात प्रत्येक ऍसिडची मी सांगितले. सो हा log to the base 10 जो आहे निगेटिव्ह log to the base 10 म्हणजे हा p फॅक्टर झाला, म्हणून pKa. निगेटिव्ह log to the base 10 म्हणजे p and pH या पद्धतीने. So I am writing here pH is equal to pH is equal to pKa. pH is equal to pKa minus log to the base 10 acid divided by salt. Acid divided by salt. Okay. First of all, I am erasing that. Then what is the next step of our equation? I don't want to negative sign there, so I want to positive sign here. So how can I write this? Because I am exchanging the both terms. Salt वरती गेलं, acid खाली आलं तर इथलं चिन्ह प्लस होणार. Okay, so final equation is equal to pH is equal to pKa plus log to the base 10 salt divided by acid. Salt divided by acid. Salt divided by acid. So this is the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for calculating pH of acidic buffer solution. This is the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for calculating pH of acidic buffer solution. So pH is equal to pKa plus log to the base 10 salt upon acid. Okay. Now let us move to the second point, that is pH of basic buffer solution. Let us move to the second point, pH of basic buffer solution. Second point. So what is the basic buffer? The pH of basic buffer, that is ranges from 7 to 14. pH of basic buffer solution. Now, what is the example of basic buffer? What is the example? It is a mixture of weak base and it's a salt with strong acid. And it's a salt with strong acid. Means WB plus SA. WB plus SA. It's a salt, म्हणजे याचा salt. बरोबर. Then weak base, it consists NH4OH. Weak base consists NH4OH plus WB NH4OH plus strong acid, that is HCl. So what is the example for this? NH4Cl. This is the example of basic buffer solution, and we have to calculate pOH of basic buffer solution by using Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Okay. Now let us start the dissociation process of these two, because I am taking equal amount of NH4OH and equal amount of NH4Cl in a beaker. Now NH4OH, it is weak electrolyte or weak base. So it dissociated reversibly. It forms NH4 plus OH minus NH4 plus OH minus. I am writing here reversible error because it is a weak electrolyte. Point to remember that it is a weak electrolyte and it dissociate partially out of 1 moles. Just I am saying 0.02 moles will be dissociated and converted into ammonium and hydroxyl ion. Now, point number 2, NH4Cl. NH4Cl, it is a product of weak base that is NH4OH plus strong acid that is HCl. Okay, so HCl it is a strong acid. एक जरी strong component असला तरी हा salt जो आहे तो strong मानला जातो आणि dissociation 100% होतो and irreversible dissociation takes place. So it will form NH4 plus Cl minus NH4 plus Cl minus. And I am writing here irreversible error because NH4 plus and Cl minus ion do not combine with each other. Point to be remembered. But in here, NH4 plus ions and hydroxyl ions can combine to form NH4OH. This is the reversible reaction takes place. Now, let us start what is the dissociation constant for weak base? Dissociation constant for weak base, that is equal to Kb. That is equal to K means dissociation constant. B I am used for base. So what is our product? That is equal to in bracket NH4 plus in bracket OH minus divided by reactant product त्यांचे coefficient divided by reactant and त्यांचे respective coefficients. Okay, so what is the reactant? NH4OH. NH4OH, it is the reactant. Now we have to calculate pOH of basic buffer. pOH and pOH depends on concentration of hydroxyl ion. If concentration of OH minus ion increases in the solution, then pOH of the solution also increases. Hence pOH depends on concentration of OH minus ions. Hence I want to take concentration of OH minus ion to the left side. Then equation will becomes Kb into concentration of NH4OH divided by concentration of NH4 plus Now, as I said you earlier, instead of writing NH4OH, it is a weak base. So I am writing it as in another form. So what is our next step? That is concentration of OH minus ion is equal to dissociation constant Kb. Okay, into NH4OH, it is a weak base. So I am writing here base. Divided by NH4 plus ions. Point to be noted that मी इथं ion लिहिला पाहिजे, परंतु मी इथं काय लिहिणार आहे? Salt. I am writing here salt. Why? Because NH4Cl, it is product of weak base NH4OH and strong acid HCl. एक जरी कंपोनेंट स्ट्रॉंग असला तरी जो सॉल्ट आहे त्याचं डिसोसिएशन 100% आहे आणि हा स्ट्रॉंग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट मला म्हटलं पाहिजे. If I am taking 100 moles of NH4Cl, then it forms 100 moles of NH4 plus and 100 moles of Cl minus. 100 NH4Cl म्हणजे 100 NH4 आणि 100 Cl, हा 100 कोएफिशिएंट NH4 ला पण ऍप्लिकेबल आहे आणि Cl ला पण ऍप्लिकेबल आहे. आणि डिसोसिएशन करतोय म्हणजे सेपरेशन ऑफ पॉझिटिव्ह अँड निगेटिव्ह आयन्स. त्यामुळं 100 मोल घेतले, 100 मोलचं डिसोसिएशन झाले प्रत्येकी. सो बाकी काय राहिले? शून्य. बाकी काय राहिले? शून्य. त्यामुळं हे इक्वलच आहे ना, इक्वलच आहे. त्यामुळे मी आयन लिहिण्याच्या ऐवजी काय लिहितोय? सॉल्ट हा शब्द लिहितोय. पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड दॅट. ओके. नाव आता मी हे इरेज करतो. इन्स्टेड ऑफ रायटिंग आयन आय एम रायटिंग हियर सॉल्ट. नाव व्हॉट इज आवर नेक्स्ट स्टेप? We want to apply negative log to the base 10 from both sides. Negative log to the base 10 from both sides. So negative log to the base 10 OH minus ion are there is equal to negative log to the base 10. Okay, in bracket Kb into base upon acid, base upon acid, base divided by salt, not base upon acid, it is base divided by salt. Now our next step is negative log to the base 10 concentration of OH minus is equal to negative log to the base 10 Kb minus negative log to the base 10 base divided by salt, base divided by salt. As I said you earlier, negative log to the base 10 OH minus ion concentration means negative log to the base 10 OH minus ion concentration means it is the definition of POH. It is the definition of POH because negative log to the base 10 means it is a P factor, so POH. Okay. Now, so negative log to the base 10 Kb means negative log to the base 10 Kb means PKb. PKb because negative log to the base 10 means it termed as P factor. P factor. So PKb, I am writing here PKb. And this conversion it will form negative log to the base 10 means POH is equal to negative log to the base 10 Kb means PKb minus negative log to the base 10 base divided by salt, base divided by salt. Okay, now I don't want to negative sign there, so what will happen? आपल्याला काय केलं पाहिजे? मला निगेटिव्ह साइन आवडत नाही. काय करायला पाहिजे? कन्वर्जन सॉल्ट वरती करायचं आणि बेस खाली डिवाइड. सो our final equation POH is equal to PKb plus log to the base 10 base divided by salt. Salt divided by base plus log to the base 10 salt divided by base. Salt divided by base. This is the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for calculating POH or calculating POH of basic buffer solution. Okay. In this lecture, we studied the calculation of pH of acidic buffer and calculation of POH. Calculation of POH of basic buffer and calculation of pH of acidic buffer. So our formula will be pKa plus log to the base 10 salt divided by acid. This is the formula for calculating pH of acidic buffer solution and above formula for calculating pOH of basic buffer solution. In this lecture, we completed Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Hopefully you have understood this. Thank you.